Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the Sweetcrispy home office desk chair, designed for all-day comfort with its breathable mesh back and high-density sponge seat. This ergonomic chair features prominent lumbar support that perfectly follows your spine's natural curve, helping you maintain a relaxed posture during long work or study sessions. With a 360-degree swivel and adjustable seat height from 18.5 to 22.2 inches, it offers personalized comfort. The 90 to 120-degree rocking mode lets you take quick breaks and relax. Smooth multi-directional casters glide effortlessly on various floor types, supported by a sturdy 5-star base with a 250-pound weight capacity. Assembly is quick and simple with clear instructions and all necessary tools included. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.